Hello friends, welcome to Natutrix YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain 11 yoga poses for hair fall control and regrowth your hair. So let's go to the topic. First one, Kapalbhati, front lobe cleansing techniques. This is the basic and very ancient technique to cleanse our bodies. Kapalbhati is also treated as the first step of yoga. It is a very good exercises for digestion, hair loss prevention and glowing skin. How to do this Kapalbhati step by step. Keep your head, neck and shoulders straight while sitting in a crossed leg position. Place your hands on the knee with eyes closed and relax for a minute. Now take a deep inhale and exhale all the air, contracting abdominal muscles. Do this 10 minutes in stretching, then increase it to 13 and then to 60. You can take breaths while doing this. This is one of the best poses for hair growth. Second one, Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand pose. It is the queen of all the asanas. This yoga pose helps in increasing blood circulation in the head, which results in the strengthening of your hair, hence less hair fall control and regrowth. How to do step by step. Lie down on your back and breathe normally. Slowly raise your legs until it makes a 90-degree with the rest of your body. Then raise your rest of the body with your head resting on the ground. Your hand will support the middle of your spine and they should also support your body. Make sure the legs and spines are straight. Breathe deeply through the process. This pose helps in reducing hair fall completely. Third one, Shirshasana, headstand pose. The name itself reveals what the pose is about. This is a little difficult pose and should be only done when you are completely ready for this. This asana instantly calms your mind and take away all your stress. It increases the blood flow and provides nourishment to the brain. How to perform? Invert your whole body. This means putting the whole weight of the body on your head. Always perform this asana under the guided supervisions. Make sure there are 10 to 12 hours of a gap between the meals and the pose. This is one of the amazing yoga for thick hair. Fourth one, Vajrasana. This yoga pose is called diamond pose. This yoga pose benefits us when performed after the meal. It eliminates constipation, reduces obesity and relieves stress. It also increases blood circulation, double hair growth and strengthen muscles. How to perform? Sit by folding your legs on your knees. Your back should be straight and place your hands on your thighs. Stay in the position for at least 5 to 10 minutes for starting. Breathe normally when this position. Fifth one, Ustrasana, camel pose. It is the backward bend pose which opens up your heart chakra. This asana increases your digestion and regrowth hair. It relieves any trapped stress by opening up the chest. It is a very good exercise for women as it helps in regulating the menstrual cycle and also release any tension in the ovaries. Perform. This is a backward bend pose. For this you will have to stand on your knees. Slowly try to bend backward with your hand touching the feet. Keep your head also backward trying to look back. Sixth one, Sasangasana, rabbit pose. This exercise and poses are recommended by many professionals to solve the hair loss problems like hair fall, dandruff, etc. This promotes hair growth and increases body awareness with breathing. How to perform? Stand on your knees. Later lean forward so that your head touches the knees. With your hand try to touch the feet. Make sure you do it slowly to avoid any muscle cramps. Best exercises and yoga for hair fall control. 1. Uttanasana, the standing forward bend pose. It helps in rejuvenating our body and increases in blood circulation and keep your spine strong and flexible. This yoga pose rushes the energy into our scalp, which helps in hair growth. It also relaxes our mind, which helps us sleep better at night. How to perform? Stand straight. Slowly bend yourself from the hip so that your head touches your knee. Your hand should touch your feet. Stay in the position for a while. Eighth one, Adho Mukha Savasana, the downward dog facing pose. The name itself is very heavy, but this yoga pose is not that difficult. It resembles a dog facing downward. It helps in blood circulation and enables fresh blood in your head, which reduces hair fall. It also stretches your neck and spine, thus releasing stress. How to perform? Stand straight and relax. Bend downwards with your hands facing the ground. You will be making a triangle position. Make sure the distance between your hands and feet in more. Try touching your head to the ground. This is one of the best yoga for hair loss prevention. 1. Pavanamuktasana, the wind relieving pose. This is one of the best yoga poses for hair fall control, and it is also easy for the beginners level. This pose is done in the morning and it helps in clearing all the digestive gases from the stomach. It increases your blood circulation and reduces belly fat. When you have a healthy stomach, hair fall tends to reduce. To perform, lie down on your back and relax for a minute. Then bring both the knees close to the chest slowly. Hold the knees with your hand and maintain this posture for a quite some time. 10th one, meditation. This is the best and one of poses in yoga. It helps in releasing stress and anxiety. The benefits of meditation are amazing. How to perform? You have to sit by crossing your leg peacefully with your eyes closed. Try relaxing your mind during this pose. Breathe normally. 11th one, the fish pose or Mathyasana. One of the most important and beneficial yoga for hair fall control and hair growth. This asana is very effective and also recommended by many professionals. This will surely give you a strong and healthy hair in a month. How to perform? Lie down on your back and keep your body straight and relaxed. Then slowly bend your knees inwards so that your elbows touch your arms. Stretch as much as you can. Now start putting pressure on your elbows and push your stomach toward the ceiling. Try holding the position for a bit. If you feel strain in your neck, you can put a towel under your neck. Do not attempt this pose if you are pregnant or suffering from any back injuries. Bonus tips for healthy hair. First one, empty stomach. Before starting your yoga, make sure you are empty stomach except for Vajrasana. Second one, to notice the differences. Yoga does not work instantly. You need to continue it for a month to notice the difference. Third one, increasing blood circulation. Any exercises which increases blood circulation will help in hair loss. Fourth one, guided supervision. Some yoga poses are difficult. Do them only in guided supervisions. Fifth one, eat healthy food. Always to eat healthy food. So friends, your diet, your lifestyle also matters a lot in these cases. So have you tried any of these poses yet? Do comment below, let us know your experience. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe our channel. Keep smiling.